Site Control Unit, or SCU. The SCU is a site controller for AISG devices installed at a cell site. It's compatible with the AISG standard and can control up to 24 AISG 1.1 and 2.0 devices such as RETs and TMAs. It provides a web interface performing antenna tilt adjustment, TMA mode adjustment, and device monitoring from remote locations. Installation. The front panel of the SCU system has 1 or 3 8-pin AISG female ports used to connect the SCU to a network of AISG devices, a power port, a reset button, USB port used for factory programming, an RS-232 port used to connect a console to the SCU, an Ethernet data connection port, and LED status indicator lights. The web-based client system requires Internet Explorer 6.0 or above and a screen resolution of 1024 by 768 or higher. Hardware setup. Connect the Ethernet port on the SCU to the LAN port of the PC using the crossover cable. Connect negative 48 volt DC power to the power port on the SCU. Connect the AISG female port on the SCU to the AISG network control cable. Change the TCP/IP settings on the PC by going to the Start menu and selecting Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, Local Area Connections, Properties, TCP/IP version 4, Properties, then select Use the following IP address and enter the following values. IP address 192.168.0.31, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, default gateway 192.168.0.31. Select OK and then close. Log on. Launch the web browser application such as Internet Explorer and go to http://192.168.0.30. This is the default address. The following screen should appear. Log on using the default login account. The default account has full authority for access and management. The username is admin, all lowercase. The password is also admin, all lowercase. System configuration. The system setting panel is used to set up system parameters for SCU operation. We will only focus on the network setting parameter in this video. Network setting is used to set the following for the SCU system for remote system management: the IP address, the subnet mask, the gateway IP, and the SNMP server IP address. This is typically not used. Change the default IP address for the SCU to the assigned address for operation in your network. Click the Save button. Click the OK button to initiate the save process. Using the SCU system. For RET or TMA device status. All the RET and TMA devices at the base station site that can be controlled remotely are listed on the device status panel. RET antenna down tilt and or the TMA mode and TMA gain can be adjusted remotely through the detail panel. In the device list, a device will be listed in the RET or TMA list according to its device type. The important device information for each device is retrieved from the device memory and stored in the SCU memory for display. Device information will be updated after any scan, refresh, reset, and or add device section. Scanning. Click the Scan button. then the OK button to initiate the scan process. The device status panel will be updated when the process is finished. Click the Close button to close the process window. Click the Save button before navigating to other panels in order for the scanned information to be retained in the SCU memory. Click the OK button to save the device information. Uploading new data to a device. Click the detail link for a device in the device list. A new antenna data window will open. Type the new information in the window. Click the checkbox to the left of the data field as shown. The act of checking the checkbox is intended to prevent accidental data revision. Click the Save Select button to upload all revised data fields. All other RET functions, in addition to TMA functions, are fairly self-explanatory and can be found on the Amphenol website.